After spending 48 hours exploring the UAE's capital, here are our top 5 must-do things while visiting Abu Dhabi. If you're new to our channel, we're Ali and Holly, and for the last 10 months we've been going on adventures around the UAE. We'd love it if you'd join us on our travels. Please hit that subscribe button to get your one-way ticket with us. Abu Dhabi is the capital of the United Arab Emirates. It's the largest of the 7 emirates, and it's located along the beautiful southern coast of the Arabian Sea. Our first must-do thing in Abu Dhabi is a visit to the Abu Dhabi Corniche. Situated along the turquoise water of the Arabian Sea, Abu Dhabi's Corniche Road is 8 kilometers long with 2 kilometers of pristine beaches. In addition to the beautiful beaches, the Corniche also has cafes and restaurants, a seaside boardwalk, and a marina. To get amazing views of the Abu Dhabi skyline, there's a secret viewing spot by the National Theatre. At the end of the Corniche Road, you'll find 3 iconic Abu Dhabi landmarks. There's Qasr al Watan, which is the presidential palace. There's the iconic Etihad Towers. It's a 5-tower complex for shopping, dining, and living. Also at the end of the Corniche is our number 2 must-do thing in Abu Dhabi, a visit to Emirates Palace. One of the most famous landmarks in Abu Dhabi is the 5-star luxury hotel Emirates Palace. It's located in the heart of Abu Dhabi along the beautiful Corniche. Even if you're not staying at the hotel, it's free for visitors to come and explore the lobby, exhibitions, and restaurants. After walking into the lobby, you can't miss the hotel's central dome. Another thing to be sure to check out is the handmade wall display of the palace along the wall by the staircase. We recommend going to Le Cafe to try their signature 23-karat gold-flaked Emirates Palace Cappuccino. Le Cafe offers indoor dining as well as dining by the fountain. Number 3 on our list of must-do things in Abu Dhabi is the world's first Ferrari-branded theme park, Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. There's so much to do at Ferrari World. You can easily spend an entire day exploring everything. While walking around Ferrari World, you feel like you've been transported to an Italian village, complete with storefronts, fountains, and cobblestones. The number 1 ride at Ferrari World is the world's fastest roller coaster, the Formula Rossa. It goes from 0 to 240 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds. In addition to the Formula Rossa, there are plenty of rides and attractions for the entire family. They also have 3D simulated rides, a Ferrari factory tour, electric go-karting, a Formula One simulator, and a tire change experience where you can see what it's like to be part of the Formula One pit crew. If you're feeling hungry, there are plenty of Italian cafes and restaurants where you can refuel. And if you love supercars, there's an entire museum with cars on display. Number 4 on our list of must-do things in Abu Dhabi is the Louvre. The Louvre Abu Dhabi is one of the 7 urban wonders of the world. It's the Arab world's first universal museum. The first work of art that you'll see when you visit the Louvre is the building itself. The museum's dome is a complex geometrical structure that appears to be floating above the building. The museum has 12 galleries with around 600 masterpieces. The galleries showcase a chronological history of human creativity. Some must-see pieces are the Ramses II statue from Egypt, the Marichal lion from southern Spain or Italy, and the monumental statue with 2 heads. There's also an interactive art experience in the last gallery called For the Air. And last but certainly not least, number 5 is the spectacular Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. A trip to Abu Dhabi isn't complete without visiting this beautiful mosque. It's free to tour the mosque on your own, or you can opt for the free guided tour as well. The mosque features exquisite handcrafted columns, white marble domes, and a stunning courtyard that features the largest marble mosaic in the world. One of the grandest parts of the mosque is the main prayer room. It features the world's largest handmade carpet and gorgeous chandeliers made from gold and Swarovski crystals. Be sure to get some views after sunset when the mosque is lit up. The unique lighting system varies with the changes of the moon cycle. Thank you for watching our 5 must-do things in Abu Dhabi. We have new videos coming out on Friday. To stay up to date with our latest adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below.